To find the best tire repair kits out there, I started by focusing on products for tubeless tires. That covers cars, trucks, SUVs, trailers, ATVs, UTVs, and the vast majority of street-going motorcycles. There are many products available to choose tire repair kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of best tire repair kit from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TLuux Tire Repair Kit. This flat tire repair kit includes an easy and quick plug kit to fix punctures for all tubeless tires on most cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs or vehicles with no need to remove the tire from the rim. Our Fix-A-Flat tire repair kit includes a hardened steel spiral rasp and insert needle with a sandblasted finish for extra durability to repair heavy-duty tires. The T-handle puncture repair tool has a design that provides greater turning power and comfort to the user. This tire repair kit with plugs comes in a blow mold case that keeps organizing your plugs and repair tools easy. Each kit includes 1 T-handle insert tool, 1 T-handle spiral probe tools, 2 hex keys, 30 string plugs. Easy and quick to repair punctures for all tubeless tires on most vehicles, no need to remove tires from rim. Number 2. Toown Tire Repair Kit. Toown tire repair kits are made of refined high-quality steel. Toown upgraded tire patch kits comply with exacting standards of audit, can repair the toughest tires on the market. The tire puncture repair set own great adhesion, flexibility, shock absorption, and not easy to aging and long shelf life, can be able to withstand the toughest repairing, achieve the best tire air tightness. The Toown 68 PCS Tire Repair Heavy-Duty Kit repairs easily all types of tires on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawn mowers, RV, Jeeps, trucks and more. Our tire plug kits have everything you need to make repair easily. This kit with T-handle and spiral probe tool, so you can pierce into easily no matter what tires you repair. The portable storage case takes up very little space. Number 3. Beto Tire Repair Kit. Simple but complete, includes 1 PC T-handle insert tool and 1 PC T-handle spiral probe tool, 1 PC 4-way valve stem tool, 2 PCS plastic valve caps, 15 PCS self-vulcanization repair plugs, 1 PC jar of lubricant, 1 PC instructions for use steps, 1 PC L hex key, 1 PC package bag. T-handle is made of heavy steel, provides more steering power to insert the tire, making it easy to repair any tubeless tire perforations anytime, anywhere. Deal for cars, Jeeps, trucks, SUV, ATV, motorcycles, tractors, lawn mowers, toy haulers, trailers, and more. Note, our tire repair kit is designed to work with any tubeless tire, not for use on tube tires or sidewall blowouts. Number 4. Grand Tire Repair Kit. Compatible with all tubeless tires, cars, motorcycles, Harley, Triumph, Ducati, Suzuki, and others. DIY, easy to use, no need for removing tire. Use it instead of roadside assistance or installing a spare tire. This is a friendly designed product and mid-sized, which makes it portable for long journeys. It seals the inner liner and fills the path of the injury. Better technology. Better sealing is provided as the plugs act as rivets and grips the tire from inside. Number 5. Kato Universal Tire Repair Kit. Kato Universal Tire Repair Kit includes T-handle insertion tool X1, insertion tool replacement X1, T-handle probe spiral X1, probe spiral replacement X1, 4-inch repair plugs X20, valve stem caps X4, 4-way valve stem tool X1, jar of lubricant X1, L hex key X1, valve cores X4, knife X1, bag X1. Meet all your needs on tire repairing work totally. Our T-handle tools are made of the high-strength rustless zinc alloy, can easily pierce the plugs and quickly finish the repair work. Tire repair strips of best natural rubber are equipped with airtight bag, excellent aging resistant performance. Kato Universal Tire Repair Tools can be conveniently organized in a compact carry bag. Airtight plastic bag design for tire plugs can maximize the service life of the strips, which is perfect car emergency accessories.
That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.